If you are looking for an end-lot house with a beautiful swimming pool, then you should watch this property tour. Welcome to Jalan Arca at Bukit, Jelutong. This house is located about 5 minutes away from the NKVE toll and is located right next to the recreational park. This house has a land area of 40 by 70, and check out the entrance of this carporch. It is so grand. And moving on to the swimming pool, we've got a large swimming pool over here, and the quality of this finishing is simply premium. And the water filtration system is really amazing. You can see the water quality is so clean considering for its big size of this swimming pool. The build-up of this house is about 3,100 square feet. And as we enter into this living hall, there's a beautiful wall stones featured on the wall. Over here, we've got the dining area section where you and your family can dine in and enjoy the pool view. And the space of this dining area is suitable for at least 10 seaters dining area. Moving on to this glass room, this can be your gym or your study room, where you can also enjoy the pool view as well. And moving on to the kitchen area, this is the dry section, and there's plenty of built-in cabinet on every corners. And over here we've got the extended part of the kitchen, and this is where the wet kitchen is located, and you can see the quality of the finishing is simply tip-top. This is the extended part of this house. This is where you can do your laundry, and check out the quality of this extension. It is simply solid. And we are now on the first floor. The family hall has been extended all the way to the side. And what I love about this family hall, the view is simply amazing, overlooking the swimming pool and also the recreational park. All of the room has been fully extended, and it comes with an ensuite bathroom. And in this particular room, you've got your study area in this section. And there's also a connecting area to this bigger room. And check out the space of this big room over here. This has been fully extended all the way to the back and side, and you can have your big king size bed in this section. This room is equally big as well, and you've got a bathtub in this bathroom. And this room has a big balcony. It is overlooking the beautiful recreational park and the swimming pool. This house also has an extended area on the top, which is in an attic where you can keep your storage. If you're looking to upgrade your house from a condominium or a terrace house, then this house should tick all of your boxes. This house is so well kept and is move-in condition. Give me a call and I look forward to show you this beautiful end lot at Bukit, Jelutong.